Hi ladies and gents, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to make router on a stick. I have chosen to do this in Packet Tracer, and I have done this with two networks. The one is management and the one other is IT department. I have given the router and the switch a hostname. It is not required to have that, so it's optional, but it just looks better. But let's start at making the VLANs on the switch. You start by making the VLAN 10, call it management, and then you make the VLAN 30 with the name IT department. After that, you're gonna make the access interface to the IT department client and make that so it has access to the VLAN 30. At last, on the switch configuration side, you're gonna make the trunk port, which is going from the switch to the router, so you're just gonna make it, in my case, it maybe be different in your case. I'll make it on the gigabit 0/1 interface. At last, you're gonna make the sub interfaces on router, and you make that for the interface, or I have made it on the interface 0/0/1, and I have made it for the VLAN 10 and the 30. That's the quick tutorial. I will be linking this document down in the description of the video as well, so you can have a look at it. If there's any questions, just leave them down below in the comments and I will try to figure them out with you. Have a good one. Bye.